What's that place called?
Chippewa bar.
Oh.
Dirty dog.
Can I get out?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on.
Take a picture of this bar.
Okay, here we are. We made it. Upper Peninsula, Michigan. That's right. Where you going? Here's the welcome bear. Born in the land of sky blue water. Okay, whatever.
Hams, beer refreshing.
Right.
Hams.
So it seems we got to mow a little grass.
Yeah. I think you're right, fella.
So if you just take a look around, we're gonna go get the mowers now. But look at that grass. Isn't that something else? We pay a lawn service to mow grass here, and it seems that they have never made it. Cameraman, maybe you want to do this.
No, I'm good.
I'm going to have to cut that out now.
No.
I think you'd be a good cameraman. Maybe you could go behind me and just but this is an HD, beautiful HD, high definition, 1080i.
I'm a director. I'm not a cameraman.
Oh no, you're a cameraman.
Go get the Sweet William.
My name is Wes, not William.
The flower over there.
What? What? Come on.
Come on, man.
All right, this is a Sweet William flower.
Planted that seed, I think, last
Right.
year.
Mm-hmm. It is pretty nice. All right, look at the grass around. It's pretty tall. Come on, let's go get the mowers. I don't know if you know this or not, but we got here. We drove like a lot of, well, he drove, but everybody's pretty tired. Just for the record, Kathy, Ricky's wife, she's like under the weather. She seems to maybe have contacted some sort of a food virus or something like that. It's like she's sleeping right now, and that's not like her at all, as you all know.
They do?
Well, anybody that watches it that knows Kathy knows her, that she's like,
Right. She'd have the whole house clean by now. She had to go right to bed.
Right. All right, so we're gonna do a cold start on these lawnmowers that we got under the
Very cool.
in the secret spot. But yeah, we gotta light the fires and kick the tires. So there we go. See that?
Giant mosquito honing in on me.
That's all right. You ain't gonna eat a lot. Oh, what was that?
It's
Cardinal sin. It was cold. It was warm. All right.
We'll sit out here. They're zeroing in on me, Wes.
Yeah.
Big time.
I hope it's working. So, today we're going to go work on snowmobiles. Oh, okay. Right?
That's right.
What's the date?
Today is Monday, June 28th.
And it's like 55 degrees outside.
Mm-hmm.
So, that's why I have this cardigan on.
Cardiac.
Yeah. Got a Ricky Snowmobile manual. Yesterday was phase 1. We rearranged the snowmobiles in the garage. Put all the ones that need to be worked on to the outside door. So that was enough for yesterday. And today we're going to go do some wrenching. Helpful. We'll see you there. So here we are.
Look, somebody did a burnout yesterday on a snowmobile.
Yeah,
Look at
it's from yesterday.
burned out. That's right.
Probably that one with the flame.
Started get cracking right here. Cracking. Right, okay. Stop the movie. Where you guys running off to? So the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to look at this SRV. Isn't that right? All right, good. So first thing you need to do is open your hood. Will you stop? There you go. Now what? Well, there's already some pre-work, but yeah, you take off your spark plugs and that. And the 4 bolts holding that down. Take that off. What do you call it? Air shroud.
It's broke.
That's good. Now you would take your heads off. See that? How that is?
Easy removal.
What's it say in the bottom?
Do not remove.
Okay, nothing. Okay. All right. All right, now the other one. This is that side's the problem side. All right. You can see how lean this is. Look at the two. See how lean this one is burnt? This one's got a little gases on it, oil residue. That is just leaned out, you know? And you can see the top of the piston. It's got a big burn mark on there. I know. All right.
Ready to talk. You're the narrator. Fraser Thomas.
It's going now. I'll have to edit. So, what we got going so far is, if you look down here, we have our carburetor pulled off the joint. We have the, whatever that is, manifold pulled off. We took the reed valves out. Now, it just took the exhaust system out. Where's that at? Is it around?
Right there.
And if you can see, the burnt side of the one piston that's burnt is like really, and this side's like what it should look like. But that is like really hot.
Yes, hot.
Hot.
That's hot.
Okay, Paris.
You got the light?
It's on the handlebars by the gauges.
Here. Look inside the cylinder, and you can see the burn mark and the scoring of the cylinders. Like, yeah. Where if you look at this side, it didn't seize up. It still looks pretty nice. You can still see the crosshair marks and everything. Yeah. Okay. Cut.